An organization's ability to learn and translate that learning into action rapidly is the ultimate competitive advantage. At Unicorn, we believe that with right management and good leadership, team goals can be achieved within a wide variety of circumstances by doing the right things at right time, and that's what has been driving us forward. Today, Unicorn Denmark stands tall in the marketplace, having created a unique identity owing to its excellent range of services and products. Over the years, Unicorn Denmark has established tie-ups with the foremost manufacturers of high-quality dental products, equipments, and instruments from across the globe. This brings a huge advantage to its discerning customers who gain access to world-class products. Today, Unicorn Denmark is the preferred choice of Indian dentists and has grown from strength to strength over the last 25 years since its inception. Headquartered in New Delhi, India, Unicorn Denmark's operating philosophy is to be behind the best Indian dentist. This is maintained by reaching every customer's demand through our largest sales and service network and strong presence of channel partner across India. With the advancement of technology and a paradigm shift of providing dental equipment, instruments and services, Unicorn Denmark has adopted the same and upgraded its functionality on various online and digital platforms, and now its own e-commerce platform, bestdentaldeals.in. We have a strong presence on various online marketplaces such as Amazon, Flipkart, IndiaMart, amongst numerous other channels to provide more reach to our customers with flexible commercial structure which provides more benefit to our customers all over India.
I would like to appreciate the efforts of Unicorn Denmark Limited. They provided us with numerous world-class equipment. The service network of Unicorn is far better than any other competitor apart from the quality of the equipment and the safety they provide to us.
सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि I am confident on their after-sale service. That is what is going to make a difference.
There were times 10-15 years back where people could not even think of having programmable chairs, having Class B sterilizers, having RVG, having OPGs. Those kind of technologies which have been bought in by Unicorn as a company have actually changed the whole outlook and the way a dentist works in India today.
Just recently, before starting my clinic, I ordered a chair, and to my surprise, the chair was built, delivered and installed just within a span of 2 to 3 days, and I could start my clinic just in the span of 7 days.
With over 200 technically qualified workforce with maximum number of engineers and BDS, MDS dentists on board, having strong product sales training and technical skills with best HR and management practices in place. We proudly manage to operate through our New Delhi head office with 6 regional offices, showroom and a chain of 35 strong channel partners. At Unicorn, we lay more emphasis to provide quality training to our sales and service workforce so that we can offer our best to our discerning customers. The group has presence in almost all major markets and remote areas. Unicorn Denmark has the association of more than 1 lakh satisfied customers in government organizations, dental institution and private sector pan-India. Unicorn Denmark products and services offer distinct customer solution. The best after-sales support is appreciated by all our valued customers.